Russian President Vladimir Putin has announced a military operation.
Russia launching a full-scale invasion.
Explosions rocking several cities.
Dozens of people have been killed.
Russian troops are moving in.
As of making this video, Russia ने यूक्रेन का full scale invasion start कर रखा है and its troops are now standing outside the capital city of Ukraine, Kyiv. But ये सब क्यों हो रहा है? Why is Putin hell bent on invading Ukraine? And more importantly, what will he gain from it? To understand this conflict, you have to understand Russia. And कैसे एक massive Russian empire से over the years धीरे धीरे cut down होके वो Soviet Union बना जो कि finally 90s में collapse हुआ. And more importantly, you have to understand how this whole history is interpreted by that one man.
Vladimir Putin.
So last year Russia started sending more and more troops to this border, the Russia-Ukraine border, and ये बोला कि वो एक military exercise कर रहे हैं. उसके बाद जेनीवा में जब वर्ल्ड लीडर्स मिले तो पुतिन ने वहाँ पे अपनी 3 डिमांड्स रखी. फर्स्ट, दैट नेटो शुड स्टॉप एक्सपैंडिंग, उसमें कोई और नए मेंबर कंट्रीज नहीं इंक्लूड होने चाहिए. सेकेंड, कि नेटो शुड विड्रॉ ऑल इट्स ट्रूप्स फ्रॉम द ईस्टर्न यूरोप. एंड थर्ड, कि यूएस को प्रॉमिस करना चाहिए कि वो ईस्टर्न यूरोप के एलाइज को प्रोटेक्ट नहीं करेगा एंड इट विल नॉट प्रोवाइड देम विद न्यूक्लियर वेपन्स. एंड इनडायरेक्टली ये इंप्लाई किया गया कि इफ दीज डिमांड्स आर नॉट मेट, रशिया विल इन्वेड यूक्रेन. नाउ इफ यू लुक क्लोजली एट दीज डिमांड्स, यू कैन स्टार्ट टू सी व्हाट पुतिन रियली वांट्स and what his intentions really are. But to clearly understand his intentions, you need to understand what NATO is and what Russia and Ukraine used to be. The modern day Russia started in Kyiv, which is the modern day Ukraine. So जो modern day Russia उसके जो original roots हैं वो यूक्रेन में ही हैं. These places grew up together and eventually ये दोनों एक ही मेगा एम्पायर के पार्ट बने जो कि था सोवियत यूनियन. Both these places were deeply intertwined in their history, in their culture, their economy. After World War II, NATO was formed, the North Atlantic Treaty Organization. This was an alliance between all these countries, and NATO का main purpose था to stop USSR from expanding. Now, as we know, USSR collapsed in 1991, and जितने भी ये Soviet republics थे, सब separate हो गए and they became independent, including Ukraine. But even though these borders broke up, it did not mean that all these cultural ties broke too. काफी लोगों के लिए रशिया एंड यूक्रेन अभी भी एक ही चीज थे, and there was a lot of reluctance to accept कि अब ये दोनों एक separate independent countries हैं. And one such Russian was this young intelligence officer, Vladimir Putin, who had started to rise up in power in this post-Soviet Russia. 2005 में पुतिन ने एक लंबी सी स्पीच दी थी, and in that he said that demise of Soviet Union was the greatest geopolitical catastrophe of the century. He also said that for the Russian people it was a genuine tragedy and that millions of their citizens and countrymen found themselves beyond the fringes of the Russian territory. तो in his mind ये सब एक ही लोग थे, and सोवियत यूनियन के कोलैप्स होने के बाद ये सब लोग अपने मदरलैंड से अलग हो गए. And over all of this, Vladimir Putin's biggest cause of worry was that all these ex-Soviet republics, which are now independent, started over the years to shift towards the Western ideology of democracy and capitalism. All these ex-Soviet countries were now starting to join NATO, they were starting to join the European Union, and Putin को ये सब बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. He was totally hating it. Over the years, this shift continued to happen. And at the same time, Putin was consolidating power in Russia. He was chipping away at all these Russian institutes and silencing all his rivals. And in the past few years, he has effectively silenced anyone and everyone who can challenge him. Now, it has been decades since the USSR collapsed. But Putin अभी भी इस पूरे region को एक single empire की तरह envision करता है. He sees this region as a single block जो कि वेस्टर्न पावर्स ने आके पूरा तोड़ दिया. एंड द वर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस वाज द सेपरेशन ऑफ यूक्रेन. यूक्रेन वाज लाइक अ जेम ऑफ द सोवियत यूनियन. आई मीन पूरा रशिया स्टार्ट ही यूक्रेन से हुआ था, एंड इतनी उनके बीच में कल्चरल हिस्ट्री थी. एंड ऑल्सो यूक्रेन वाज क्वाइट पॉपुलस, इट वाज इंडस्ट्रियस एंड ऑल्सो अ रिसोर्स रिच एरिया. एंड ओवर द इयर्स यूक्रेन भी अब धीरे धीरे वेस्ट की तरफ शिफ्ट हो रहा है. इट इज इलेक्टिंग मोर एंड मोर प्रो वेस्ट पॉलिटिशियंस. It wants to join the European Union, and अब recently it is also planning to join the NATO. It is becoming less and less attached to the Russian heritage जो पुतिन बहुत dearly चाहता है to hold on to. More than half of the Ukrainians say they want to join the EU, and 64% of them say कि they'd be okay to join the NATO. But Putin cannot handle this. उसके हजम ही नहीं हो रही है यह बात. वो छोड़ ही नहीं रहा है यूक्रेन को. He is being like an ex-boyfriend who cannot handle his ex-girlfriend starting to date someone new. And so over the past decade, he's trying to keep the West out and trying to bring Ukraine back into the Russian motherland. So he started sending secret soldiers from Russia into Ukraine to help these people in Ukraine who want to leave Ukraine and join Russia. In fact, in 2014, he actually invaded and annexed a whole region of Crimea.
Troops moving swiftly to take control of military bases in Crimea.
What America is officially calling a Russian invasion of Ukraine.
तो अब ओवरऑल आप लोग को समझ में आने लग गया होगा कि यहाँ पे क्या चल रहा है. पुतिन का मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव यही है उसके लाइफ में, टू वर्क ऑन द ग्रेटेस्ट कैटास्ट्रफी ऑफ द 20th century, द डिविजन एंड द सेपरेशन ऑफ सोवियत रिपब्लिक्स फ्रॉम रशिया. एंड नाउ इन 2022 he is at it again. And honestly, if you really want to understand what's in his mind, you need to read this article by Vladimir Putin on the historical unity of Russians and Ukrainians, which he wrote last year in July 2021. It's a super in-depth 10-page article on the history of Ukraine and Russia, जिससे ही इज ट्राइंग टू जस्टिफाई कि यूक्रेन एंड रशिया के लोग एक ही हैं एंड इन सबको बस बाहर की पावर्स ने या फिर वेस्टर्न पावर्स ने डिवाइड कर रखा है. आई मीन ही काइंड ऑफ जेन्युइनली फील्स अ स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्रदरहुड एंड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग कनेक्शन विद द यूक्रेनियन पीपल, बट दिस कैन नॉट जस्टिफाई वॉट ही इज डूइंग इन यूक्रेन. ऑल दिस वॉर एंड डिस्ट्रक्शन, सो मच लॉस ऑफ लाइफ, it's all very scary, and there is no ceiling to how much this escalates. Major economies have put sanctions on Russia, but is it actually enough to stop Russia? Is that all we can do? क्या कोई और alternative नहीं है इस war को immediately stop करने के लिए? At least for now, we have a better understanding of what is actually going on inside Putin's mind and what he really wants out of all of this. As always, thank you so much for watching this video and being here. If you enjoyed and found this video useful, hit that like button and get subscribed for more amazing videos. I'll see you in the next video.